Vocabulary building. Very clever. Ingenious. Very close. Intimate. Very valuable. Priceless. Very soft. Fluffy. Very shiny. Gleaming. Very serious. Grave. Very rude. Insolent. Very risky. Hazardous. Very neat. Immaculate. Very hungry. Ravenous. Very fancy. Lavish. Very sweet. Sugary. Very sticky. Adhesive. Very stiff. Rigid. Very beautiful. Resplendent. Instead of very strong, say sturdy. Instead of very slow, say unhurried. Instead of very good, say outstanding. Instead of very bad, say atrocious. Instead of very funny, say amusing. Instead of very bright, say vivid. Instead of very noisy, say thunderous. Instead of very ugly, say unsightly. Instead of very young, say fresh. Instead of very brave, say valiant. Instead of very serious, say solemn. Instead of very small, say minuscule. Instead of very quiet, say hushed. Instead of very cold, say frosty. Instead of very fast, say brisk. Thank you very much for watching.